my gosh, retake. Hey guys, this is just going to be a really quick video of me unboxing the Pixie Kegel Weights as I drink my green smoothie because I am in a hurry today. So this is the Kegel Weight box. This is actually really cool. So they have leading ladies, and this is one of their leading ladies, and they all have like inspirational quotes on them, and so that's really fun. I like that. Here is the guide. So this is really amazing. We work with a pelvic floor therapist who basically wrote this whole book, and it will walk you through all the steps that you need. So whether you're a beginner or intermediate or even advanced, this will have exercises for you. Also, it does come with a packet of lube. If you need to, insert this, having lube on there is really nice. So you can just put a little bit on here and then you can go ahead and insert it, and it will go all the way in. This is to help you just remove the Kegel weight after you've done your exercises. These are instructions. So this is kind of just to like get you started, and then once like how to insert and all those things and removal, and then the book is like actual exercises. Darkest to lightest, the darkest being the heaviest. Also the weight, the weight is engraved on the Kegel, so that way you can always see how much it is. Like, these are great just to continue to strengthen yourself before pregnancy and after pregnancy. If you want to do it during pregnancy, we recommend that you talk to your doctor. All right, here's some gadgets. These don't come with the Kegel weights, but you can buy them separately. These are the wipes, and this is just to clean it if you're done using it. So I'm just going to show you guys here. You can go ahead, you can rip this open up the package, and this is the wipe, the size that it is. So you can just take your Kegel weight, and then after you remove it, just clean it off, and ta-da, you're all done. If you're not a fan of the wipes, we do have a wash. And I really like the wash because it does have a foaming dispenser, which is just, it always makes things more fun, It is all natural, which means that it's great for sensitive skin. And I just want to show you guys really quick just how fun it is. So that's what it's going to come out looking like, which is, I just love it. I love it so much. If you are looking for something to clean your Kegel weights with, I would say the wipes or the wash are a good option. This is our sterilizer. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys here. It's really tiny and discreet. It's about the size of a soda can, and you can just open it up. This is the inside. Take your Kegel weight or even your menstrual cup or your menstrual disc. You can just put it in there and close it, and it turned on, and it takes about 2 minutes for it to sterilize and get rid of all the germs, because you want to do that before you insert it for the first time. Nice thing about this is it runs on batteries, and it also can run on USB as well, so it's really travel friendly. Okay, I just want to go over something really quick, why I recommend the UV Sterilizer for the Kegel weights and not the Pixie steamer. The reason being is the steamer, so this actually happened to me. The steamer makes things hot, which is great because it kills bacteria and all that jazz. However, there is metal inside the Kegel weight, and even though the silicone will cool off really quickly under cold water, the metal will heat that silicone back up. So what happened to me is I sterilized my Kegel weight, and then I put it up there thinking, oh, it's cool, it's not still hot. And later on, I'm like, oh, it's getting spicy down there. And the nice thing about the UV sterilizer is it uses light, so the Kegel weight's not going to get hot, and you can reinsert it right away. Obviously, you can use the steamer. You just want to make sure that the Kegel weight is cooled down. I think this is really great for menstrual cups, menstrual discs, various different things. Some people will even sterilize their wedding ring in it. You can use it for a lot of different things. Obviously, its main purpose is like menstrual cups and stuff. But I just want to clarify, that's why I recommended the UV sterilizer in this video. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video of the Kegel weights. If you have any questions, let us know. We have an amazing customer service team that will get back to your comments within 24 hours. Obviously, if you want to see more of Allie, she has an Instagram, and which will be in the comments below, or I'm sorry, in the description. It will be in the description below. You can also go check out our Instagram page. Oftentimes she'll do lives on there and things, and it's just really helpful to know more about your body and understand maybe why you're having these issues, and then to find products or exercises that work for you and have a solution. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. It helps us bring in more content, and we want to empower you guys to have and live the best lives as women.